Ah, the replacement, that unsuspecting soul who walked in, blind to the reality behind those polished smiles and charming promises. They strolled in like it was a fairy tale, captivated by the allure, believing they were different, that they could handle it. They thought, I'm not like the others this time, it'll be different, but soon enough they'll realize how wrong they were. You see, truth has an uncanny way of surfacing, no matter how deeply it's buried under layers of lies and manipulation. Eventually, it claws its way up, and when it does, that's when the real story unfolds. The one who thought they could take your place is slowly starting to see it. Bit by bit, cracks are appearing, the charm that once enraptured them is fading, the mask slipping, the same old tricks and deceit resurfacing. It's only a matter of time before the replacement sees those same lies, the very lies that once suffocated you. Now they're feeling the tension, that constant dread of walking on eggshells, fearful of the next storm brewing in silence. They've begun to see the person's true colors, and once you see behind the mask, there's no unseeing it. It's there, like a stain, impossible to wash away. The replacement, just as you once did, thought they could fix them. They believed they'd be the one to change them, the one who could fill that endless void. But now, they're facing the same truth you learned: you can't change someone who doesn't want to change. You know this dance well. You've seen how it goes, the unraveling, the self-doubt, the constant questioning, wondering if they're the problem, if they're somehow not enough. They'll contort themselves, bend over backward, trying to make it work, only to realize that it was never about them. It wasn't about you either. It's about the person who left you, the one who cycles through people, using them as band-aids to cover their own deep, unhealed wounds. They reel people in, making them feel special, the exception, until they're not. Until they're tossed aside, replaced by someone new to fill the same void that can never be filled. The replacement is beginning to understand this now. They feel the weight of being the next in line, a burden that gets heavier with every encounter, every illusion broken. Eventually, even the most hopeful soul reaches their breaking point. No one can thrive in a toxic environment forever. And that's the reality of replacements. They're merely temporary patches for wounds too deep to heal without facing the root cause. The person who left you thought they could replace you, but deep down, they knew they could never truly replace you. You were never the problem. You were a mirror reflecting the things they refused to confront, the truths they didn't want to see. Once the replacement leaves and the reckoning begins. That's when the walls close in, forcing the person who left to confront what they've been avoiding all along. They'll find no one can ever fill the emptiness they carry. No one can fix what they refuse to admit is broken. It's all coming full circle now. The one who thought they were stepping into something new, something better, is now seeing the decay beneath the sparkle, the rust beneath the surface. They'll leave just as you did, just as those before you did. Because the truth is, this person can't keep anyone for long. Once their mask slips and their true colors show, the cycle begins again. They'll find someone new, another unwitting soul who believes the sweet lies, the charm, the whispered nothings. But we know better, don't we? We've seen it all. This new replacement will leave too, and the person who once held you captive will be left with nothing but the bitter truth they are the common denominator in every failed relationship. They'll never have enough, and no one will ever be enough for them, because they themselves aren't whole. And deep down, they know it. That's why they keep running, keep filling the void with new distractions, new faces, temporary fixes to stave off the emptiness inside. But no matter how many times they try to start over, they'll always end up in the same place, alone, hollow, miserable. You, though you're free now, out of the cycle. But they'll stay trapped, caught in the web they spun for others, tangled in the strings they once thought they controlled. Here's the irony: they thought replacing you would be a relief, an escape. But the very standard you set, the patience, the love, the compassion you showed, is the very thing they can't find in anyone else. Their replacements can't fill the void, and deep down, they feel that gnawing sense of regret. Every day it grows louder until one day it will scream. They'll wake up and realize that what they sought in others could only be found in the person they left behind. And as the web they spun ensnares them, they'll see they were never the puppeteer, only a player in their own tragic story. The replacements will leave, one after another, until they're left standing in the ruins of all they've destroyed, faced with the one thing they tried to escape themselves. And that moment, it will be sweet, for it's then they'll realize what you've known all along. They thought they could run from accountability, hop from heart to heart, leaving destruction in their wake. But the truth always catches up. In the end, they'll see that the person they tried to replace was never the problem. You were the standard, the one who showed them genuine connection. And now they're left haunted by the emptiness they tried so hard to fill, realizing, perhaps too late, that they've been running in circles, chained to a cycle of their own making. The very thing they feared, the truth, has caught up to them. And now there's no one left to save them. Not you, not the replacement, not anyone. And as they stand alone, stripped of their illusions, the echoes of every past relationship haunt them. Every fleeting connection, every face they discarded in search of something better circles back, casting shadows that loom larger than their own reflection. Those they've used and cast aside now live on in their mind, reminders of everything they took and never returned. The memory of each person they left wounded remains like ghosts, haunting the corners of their thoughts, unrelenting and unyielding. They may try to ignore it, to shove it deep down as they always have, but it won't fade. The truth has a way of demanding to be seen, like a wound that festers in the dark. And now there's no one left to distract them from the emptiness they tried so desperately to avoid. That's when the loneliness becomes deafening, a silence so loud it drowns out every excuse, every justification. They'll reach for someone, anyone, to fill the void, but their past has finally caught up. Their hands come up empty. For perhaps the first time, they're forced to confront the depths of their own emptiness, the vacancy they can't run from. The very void they've tried to fill with others has grown so large that it consumes them, leaving nothing but regret and hollow echoes of their choices. It's ironic, isn't it? They once believed that leaving you behind would lead them to freedom, a fresh start. But the freedom they chased only became another prison, one where the walls close in a little more every day. Now, as they look into the mirror, they see someone unrecognizable, a stranger crafted from their own broken promises and shattered dreams. The face staring back at them holds every lie they told, every heart they bruised, every soul they drained. They'll finally understand that it wasn't others who left them feeling empty, it was their own reflection they were running from all along. And there, in that moment of reckoning, the reality sinks in. No one left them. They drove every person away, one by one. Each step they took to avoid facing themselves led them right back to the same unyielding truth. And they'll realize that in trying to replace you, they ended up replacing their own humanity with something hollow and cold. Their choices, once made with such careless ease, now weigh like lead, dragging them deeper into their own emptiness. The tragedy? They never learned what you had to offer, the irreplaceable warmth, the patience, the true connection. They sacrificed all of it in pursuit of an illusion they could never hold. Now, even if they tried to find someone new, even if they sought yet another replacement, it wouldn't matter. Because in truth, they're the ones who became replaceable, interchangeable, a hollow shell that anyone who values their own peace will leave behind. But you've walked away. You've freed yourself. You've moved on to find someone who sees your value, someone who treasures the kindness, the resilience, the love you offer. And as they remain trapped in their own endless cycle, desperately trying to outrun the truth, you're thriving, stronger for having escaped. You were never the problem. You were the lesson they failed to learn. And one day, as they sit alone, surrounded by the ruins of what they tried to create, they'll see what you knew all along. You are irreplaceable, not because they couldn't find someone new, but because no one can ever replace what's genuine, what's real. And in that cold, unforgiving silence, they'll finally face the truth. The one thing they feared most, the thing they'll never escape.